up, guys? Thank you for tuning into my channel. My name is Yadrissa, and today I'm going to show you how I got this look right here. These look nice bouncy curls. These are heatless curls. I achieved these curls with using my Flexi rods, and I'm going to show you, how to get these same curls using only Flexi rods. As I said, heatless curls, so it's no heat, no tools, so you don't have to worry about, oh, I don't know how to curl my own hair, or it's hard for me to do that. Girl, don't worry, I got it all covered. We're going to be using Flexi rods, step-by-step tutorial. Stay tuned so you can see how I achieve these big, beautiful curls. In case anybody is interested in this color, I did water dye this wig pink. I did an ombre color, and you can check out my previous video to see how I did that in full detail. This was a blonde 613 wig. This is a 13x4 frontal and 18 inches. This is an Amazon fine wig. If you are interested, let me know down in the comment section, and I'll let you I'll give you the information of the seller that I got this wig from, that I purchased it from. So I'm just pinning the hair back just to keep the hair out of place. And now I'm taking my T-pins and I'm going to be pinning that wig down to my canvas block so that when I'm working on this wig and moving it around, it won't fall off of the off of this blockhead, and it would just be secure and stay in place while I'm working on it. So I am putting a couple of different products in this hair. I am using my pink lotion. I'm using my African Pride setting spray, and I'm also using mousse as well, because I wanted this hair to I wanted to not have it saturated, but I did want it to have some type of wetness, because when you roll the rollers around it and the hair is wet, after it dries, it just has a different look to it, whether you just doing it on dry hair. So I really wanted that really defined curl, and I wanted it to look a certain way, so that's why I did wet each section of hair before I begin to roll the hair around the curler and just pin it into place. And I am using 3 different lengths of these rollers today for this video. I'm not sure the exact lengths of each of these rods, because I no longer have the the paper that shows that on it, but I just have these different sizes that I'm going to be using today. So for this back row, I'm going to be using the smallest roller, and as you can see, I'm twisting my hand in a circular motion as I'm wrapping that hair around that roller. I'm using that top piece and I'm just holding that into place. Leave enough at the top so you have enough to fold down over the hair after you have finished wrapping the hair, and as well as the bottom, you're going to be folding the bottom up so that it holds the curl into place. It holds that hair into place and it's not going to move, basically. So I wanted to move and make my sections kind of small, but not so small, but it's kind of like a small medium that I made each of my sections. So look at how I'm putting the rod there and how I'm twisting my hand. You see how I'm moving my hand in a circular motion all around, all the way around. I'm moving my hand in a circular motion to twist the hair around. So you're twisting the hair while twisting it around the roller, basically. Pin the top of that roller down and pin the top, and pin the bottom up so that it holds that hair in place. This is my leave-in conditioner that I'm using to spray my hair, African Pride. I'm moving on to that next section, and make sure you comb your hair thoroughly and make sure you wet your hair with whatever product you're going to be using for the video. And I am going to be wrapping that hair around. I did try to do a close-up on this as I was doing it so that you guys can really see, because some people are visual learners. As far as myself, I'm a visual. I like to watch so I can learn better, and this is why I wanted to zoom in so you guys can get a close-up on how I am styling this hair and how to twist your hand in a circular motion, twisting the hair as you're twisting around the roller. Make sure you leave enough at the top so you're able to pin down, and enough roller at the bottom so that you can be able to fold it up into place. So I'm just going to be repeating these steps throughout my wig. As you can see, I already sprayed my hair. Now I'm going to, you know, get my roller, and I'm rolling it. And I'm rolling my rollers, all of them, I'm rolling them to the right. And this is just a preference for me. And I have medium sections, like I said. If I wanted the curls to be a little bit more defined, I would do smaller sections. But I just wanted to do maybe like a small, like a medium part, because that was just a look that I'm looking for. If you guys have any questions about anything in this video, make sure you leave it down in the comment section, and I'll be sure to answer your questions, whether it's about where I purchased the wig from or inquiries about me dyeing a wig for you, making a custom wig for you. Just leave a comment down below and I'll be sure to get back to you. Or if you're just enjoying the video, just, you know, connect with me and interact and let me know, hey, I like this video, or, you know, thanks for looking out, or great video, or I learned something. Whatever it is you want to comment, you know what I'm saying? Some people don't like to comment, they just like to, you know, press the like button too. So that's, you know, that's fine as well, as long as, you know, I hope that somebody's learning something from this video and learning a different style, you know, because you don't want to always do straight hair and just, you know, a part down the middle or just a ponytail. You know what, it's good to switch up your hair a little bit. It makes it makes me feel good as a woman. I like to switch up my hair a lot. I really do. So this is just satisfying for me. So I'm going on to that next section. I finished that last row and I'm just going to continue doing the same thing, wrapping that hair around. And I am wrapping my hair tight and I'm wrapping my hair close. I do not want any spaces in between me wrapping this hair. And make sure when you are wrapping the hair, do not leave any spaces in between. Try to wrap it as tight as you can, as close as you can, to get that defined curl. I'm letting you guys know at the end of this video, after, you know, everything is dry, I'm going to come and I'm going to put the wig on and I'm going to, you know, take out the rollers and let you guys see how beautiful these curls come out. And if you are going to be doing this video, I'm sorry, I said this video, if you are going to be trying this style, if you want to do this for the same day, you got to do it like early in the morning and let it dry throughout the day. Now if you want to speed up the process and curl your hair, roll your hair and then put it under the dryer, then that is a way that you can you know, wear it the same day and still achieve those same results. But for me, I'm going to be rolling my hair and I'm going to be letting it dry overnight. I didn't want to apply any additional heat to this wig because, you know, it was a 613 and I didn't want to damage the hair. Just let it, you know, dry, and I'm going to be applying my wig the following day. So now I'm at the front, and I did do a part on the side, a curved side part on this wig because that's where I wanted a part on mine. And again, I am just continuing to roll that hair, rolling those sections back, and I'm rolling my sections to the right. Make sure you curl it tight. Make sure you curl it close. And after each section, after I roll it, as you can see, I'm spraying each section with my leave-in conditioner. Make sure you spray your hair. Make sure your hair is nice and moist and wet when you're doing this style because it helps define the curls. It helps the curls just be more defined, more, you know, more prominent basically. So take that roller, circular motions, twist, twist, twist. Twist the hair around as you're twisting the hair around that roller as well. Pin it up into place. Make sure everything, as you can see, I'm spraying it after each section. And this didn't take me that long to roller curl this. I think it took me maybe about an hour to roller curl this hair. But to me, that's not long for a hairstyle. So that was pretty fast for me. Or maybe it was about 45 minutes to an hour. Same thing, girl. And I just sprayed the whole head after I finish. This is the finished look of the roller curlers only. And I'm going to come back in the next clip and I'm going to show you the finished product of this hair and how beautiful these curls came out.